Launched at CEDIA this year, and we're very excited to announce that we are the new exclusive distributor for Krix, a home theater-based speaker company out of Australia, all handmade, beautiful items, as well as continuing our relationship with PMC, especially on their CI line.
Hey, I'm here with Tyler from Playback Custom.
Welcome to Playback Custom. It's some very cool stuff. Let me show you. Got their start in the Pro Cinema line, and had such a great reputation, such a fantastic following, that they wanted to bring it home, bring that cinema experience home. So they provide a number of different products for all different sort of categories, whether it's an in-wall, an on-wall speaker. But what they're really well known for is this modular system that you see back here. The modular system is designed to go behind the screen and provide you that cinema type of experience. It combines not only the two subwoofers that you see on the left and the right, but also the left, the right, and the center channels, utilizing those cinema-grade components. They also introduced two new speakers, the OWX series, that allows a really robust and high-impact sound from a small cabinet such as this. The PMC line of speakers that you see on the wall to your right continues our relationship with PMC that we have on the playback distribution side, because we wanted to blend the hi-fi guys and know that they could do a custom install with the products that they already know, or vice versa, the home theater guys, and say, you can do hi-fi as well with the same type of brand. So on this wall, we display all the different products, including the middle one, which shows their advanced transmission line technology in a cutaway. Really speaks volumes, no pun intended, about what that speaker can do. And with this PMC line, we actually did a sound demo room across the way with 7 of the CI 140s that are behind you, and then 4 of the CI 65 channels that you see here as the height channels. So it's a very robust, big sound demo that's incredibly accurate and has that natural voice sound to it. So we're so pleased and happy to be here at CEDIA Expo 2024, introducing Krix to the US market, as well as you.
Well, it's great to be here. Thank you so much for showing us. And it'd be awesome to put these in some home theaters. They look incredible.
They sound fantastic too. So playbackcustom.com. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate it. Thanks, everybody.